C'est maman.
At the end of the program today, we're not going to make mistake if we talk say yes, say we don't see the end of the month of April 2021. By God, power and IBC will take care because today will be the very last Friday for the month of April 2021. By God, we thank and well for everything when we say it don't do for us. The first 4 months don't come out. No worry, things will still fall into place. How you want to ask a planner? But God will give you an answer. No matter the things they want to be say with the face for our country, Nigeria now, where you go survive. But I go to tell you again, as I told you before, how far would you exercise them? I should say they do exercise, they do, and you need them well, so the heart go to pump blood well, and also the doctor, they go stay away from you. If you know fit, run, waka. If you know if you waka, a trek. But the truth is, no sit down for one place at all. You don't need them. If you play table tennis, anyhow you plan, you walk. So anyhow when you plan, you don't get trouble when you give person inside for your heart. Make you stay alive. Carry bicycle, you ride, or do many other activities there. You say sport, I'm not just say draft too. Draft and that will not be sport at all. Or say they do whether they call them Scrabble. If you give you mental alertness and the rest were there for physical body to make the heart they pump well. I'm not sure say go feel address that one. My name is Thomas Ado. So welcome to our program. Good morning from Benin. Anywhere BC they watch for any part of the world. Welcome. I say good morning. Like I would have done before, we put one heavy pot of fire when it be say yes, we'll carry come down, make all of us look this matter there. When we say yes, they inside the pot. I tell you, make everybody hold their plates. My brother Larry Odia, Emmanuel Pololo, and myself, we're here to make sure we serve your plates the well. We give you full dose, your plate go full, and you go eat enough of the information that when we say yes, we get. Welcome again. And many things that when we say we go talk, many of the day around security. He don't get the way he go be these days. For Nigeria, when we say no go hear matter, when we say concern security. If na television you on, you go see security matter there. You on your radio, you must hear security matter there. You carry newspaper, make you read from page 1 to the last page, cover, front cover to the back cover. You go see security matter there. Even sorted for the back cover now. Security matter don't they compete space with sports. Now I say they be now because now here we say we did. Another matter we say we still look to the matter we say concern the price of things. The price of things, the thing they go up well. Sote people when they sell fish for market. Yesterday they enter streets. They say Belen don't sweet them at all. The way we say price of fish, it will go up and every many other things them. You go put mouth now. And the matter will be say concern the one they kidnap children for school. Everywhere, even yesterday, they still go for Plateau, no? Okay. They go for Plateau State, they go kidnap for there. Carry some school students there. For Mission Secondary School, they go carry some students there. So we go talk about this matter. We talk all the time about say, what thing they happen, what our South governors they do to make sure that they put security matter for their front page. We don't talk about this matter. Sote. It be like say nobody don't hear, nobody won't hear. But I sure say the incident they went to they have for River State. It don't should be say go take up. I say in the South when we say we they talk since how many days ago you don't enter the South. Welcome again. My name is Thomas Ado. We will take a very short break. When we come back, continue for where we say we stop. Not going anywhere because like I tell you, the pot big way to do and we will serve everybody well. Stay with us. Emmanuel Akbololo, welcome to the program.
Good morning.
Hilary Odia, no sir, I greet you. I say happy end of month, end of April. Let's say you get one matter when we say we did talk for how many weeks now. The need for the South governors to get where they call them, they get their own security outfits. Like I will get a Bubeagu, I will get a Motelcon and the rest. So a good look we get for this thing. In Black say they just keep quiet because nothing they happen and everything. But whether you like them or not, the Niger Delta area, the South region, now they're River State today. And so kind things don't happen for River State. They don't keep people anyhowly, or they kidnap people anyhowly. And this thing just happened between just Monday here to Wednesday. You understand? It just happened. People they feel say yes, say we can come out to the way it be. It good make we be say yes, we put coffee for some area, then later I say blast go spread around the states. The question I want to ask now, Emmanuel Akbololo, only we can go feel down for the whole of the South. I've been waiting. Even be waiting in talk. He said all the entry points to the states, from Akwa Ibom, from what do they call the other states, it just said nobody say lock all of them. Nobody go enter from 8 o'clock in the night till 6 o'clock in the morning because of CSA. They want to check the challenge of insecurity. So make we look at now and the rest. Where that one take us to?
Well, it's a good development. Just that, for a very long time, they talk about these South governors that I don't see them being united in development. Not only politics time, you see, once in a while, they come together. But also they tell them, say, come on, the things we they see for this country, first I will say, oh, now Borno. You come out from Borno, you enter UB. You say, oh, now UB, now that place. You don't come out from there, you enter Kwara. From Kwara, you enter Niger. No, okay, sorry, from that place.
No, you enter the come.
They go, now say they come. For East, now say they be for Ebonyi. For Ebonyi, enter Imo. You see the whole thing. That time, but they say these people they call bandits, so not be bandits. They say no, but when they don't go host flag for Niger now don't say not be bandits, they do all those kidnapping things. I believe so. Is it not clear now? Bros, do you hear me?
Yes.
Now the bandits have gone to Niger State and host the flag. They are now Boko Haram and say that they host flag for the same bandits, which means that most of those people they do all this kidnapping, not be bandits. What would they call it? Say na Boko Haram plan. And Abu just leave on like that, say don't worry, no. So we will still talk to them. If they hear us, may they hear us. South governors, they need to do something. That's to say we can say well, maybe because of say if they talk to you brothers, they know the Greek.
You see one thing when you talk there before Hilary go come in and we say you talk about say not only when they do politics,
yes,
they come together. When we say come for development, for welfare, for security, that's everybody doing. I remember when Fayose was a PDP governor in the midst of APC governors for Southwest. If they do meeting of Oodua, where it concerns the Southwest, you understand? Even as a member of an opposition party, if they attend and they give some respect, I think it was even the vice chairman.
That's a true politician.
You understand? It was even the vice chairman. Even as we are talking now, in Oyo State, they do this thing. Oyo State is PDP that is there. But the whole meeting with all the other Southwest governors that are in APC, what come that matter when we say concern security, concern welfare of the people, the South governors that are even in the same political party as the PDP, they can't come as one and draw the same rope.
Time day we on top this program, we talk say information where we they hear. Say this kidnapping matter where we they say bandit. Then they use and they gather money.
Yes.
Then they use and they gather money to do what they get for mind to do. Nobody believe. Boko Haram don't claim that say now they host flag for.
Don't claim.
They don't already talk say now them.
Governor say two over 200 communities.
And they come, Ima. Wike the joke. The reason why I say the joke. What thing they talk? Coffee for this time. For when? 8 p.m. till daybreak.
Till 6 o'clock.
When they attack Imo, now night. When they attack Imo,
now night for Owerri. The prisons. Yes. Okay. And no, wait now, because we don't also see when they go pick students for school. Not daytime.
Not night.
No.
So these people, they can run you at any time. They don't get time where they take walk.
They
walk around the clock both night and day. So if a governor at this time, we don't see how everything they happen on top of this country, the states where don't get their own fair share inside this insecurity matter, you will still come and say imposition of coffee from 8 in the evening till 6 in the morning, I ain't be the way out.
But
you are only just talking. Make people not fit
enter the state.
Okay.
What about people when decide this? You know, if you say yes, they don't already decide the state when they want to do the wahala.
Okay, because you see, when would they talk Imo matter over here that day? Now you bring the matter. You say these people, they gyration round
Ring Road,
the city of Owerri for over
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yeah. Over 30 minutes. So for a person to come get that power to do that thing around your city, that means to talk say they were already living with the Owerri people.
Yes.
They were already living with the Imo people.
It be like say the day for Ring Road now they do, and we day here or local here.
So you don't understand
for their drive 30 minutes for that.
So if as at this time, I think footage there we will play later inside this program. We go further just let us know say everything we will talk here, we not put water for mouth talk am. It don't reach that time where the owner of fowl go join fowl cry.
As you talk about owner of fowl, they join fowl cry. More just take this footage. You ask the BC don't take footage now. Our brother Smart at the EME, you see him for the National Assembly. When the BC talk plenty talk, so till at the end of it all, he can't cry. We could just watch and small. Most what it be. Now our brothers, the one BC yes, a custody of our brother when they for Chinese television, now BC for take this one. We could watch them and make we see how the thing be. So I will take reaction to that.
Insecurity is a serious problem today in Nigeria. And there comes a time when you cannot but speak the truth, irrespective of the sentiment you may share. Today, Mr. President, all of us have been threatened. Our families, our nation, our state. Order. A lot have been said this morning, Mr. President, and I want to thank you for giving us time to speak expressly on this issue. Like my sister was saying, there comes a time when talk will talk itself. There comes a time when truth will become like a torchlight in the midst of silence. So you are forced to talk. Mr. President, we need not run away from the fact that more than ever before in the history of our nation, this is the worst instability we are facing. In fact, this is worse than the Civil War. Are you in PDP? Mr. President, the solution is very simple. Today, there are a lot of misgiving, a lot of misinterpretations of what is happening. Some people believe, some people in government are supporting this move. Some people believe, some people sponsor those who are destabilizing our nation within the country. The answer is very simple. We cannot pretend that we are capable of confronting the situation in our hands. America, as powerful as they are, when the pandemic came, got to a point that China had to claim, they came to their rescue. We shouldn't pretend that we needed foreign support now. Let nobody deceive us, Mr. President. A lot of billions of naira have been voted for security services. Nothing is coming out of it. We wouldn't wait until our nation gets bombed. Let us shout and call for foreign support. I am a APC man and I've been supporting my party. But the president should get to know that it has gotten to a point that we who are supporters, who are members of the APC, we can no longer keep quiet. The president must rise to the occasion. You will not see the truth and you are afraid to say it because you will die. We must open, Mr. President. The nation is on fire. The president must rise to the occasion. It costs us nothing to get foreign support. We must rise to the occasion. We must bring in people to save this country, or else we'll be consumed. Every one of us will have a chapter for history. Whenever the history of this period will be written, whatever is our position, we have a chapter. We cannot keep quiet any longer. It has gotten to a point that we cannot sleep with our two eyes closed. We are not free. Our children are not free. The president must rise to the occasion. There's no nation that is so powerful that doesn't need support of other nations. Individuals cannot say you will leave the war without any other person with you. So we must rise. The situation is our security system has collapsed. It has failed. And because it has failed, we need to look for foreign support. It costs Nigeria nothing. Forget the ego, forget the superiority of Nigeria in African nations. Today, we are facing serious problems. If our nation is to survive this period, I'm not in doubt that the security architecture we have today cannot cope with what we are facing. Every part of this country is threatened. From the north to the south, nobody is safe. Nobody can travel 50 kilometers in our nation. I feel like shedding tears for a country that we grew up, where nobody harasses you when you travel from Lagos to Maiduguri. I done it in times past. Today, I cannot travel from here to Kaduna to Niger State where I was born. The president must know that this is a bad time for our nation. We must look for foreign support to save this nation. This is my position, Mr. President. We must rise to it. They are killing people in the east, in the west, in the south, in the north. We should shut down the National Assembly. Let's shut it down. If we cannot save this country, we stay in our homes. Our country is bleeding. People are in poverty. There's no food. People are hungry. Insecurity is threatening us. We cannot pretend. It's better we are not here than to not see that here people are dying. Every day Nigerians are dying. We must rise to the occasion. As for me, Mr. President.
If you see some kind of things like that, you can't wonder, say what they happen. That's not Senator of the Federal Republic. Smart Adeyemi, MBC, they represent Kogi West for the National Assembly. He pour a mind out the way it's supposed to be. Akpolo don't they talk many times. Either I talk many times. What do people they want to say for the National Assembly they do to make sure say yes, things work our way. I sure say yes, don't they take a move now. The man don't they talk. He say if at all, say we don't want anything. If at all, say the way it be now, if we don't do anything, we'll close the National Assembly, make we go home because we don't get them and the rest.
Mahmoud Asado, make I just read one thing wey Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State right. Say I pull a call across to Mr. President. I was put on hold for over an hour.
Before you go front, yes. The Ugwuanyi don't come out, can't deny. Say there was no time when they talking. He did for the video and everything. Okay. He say
okay, he don't deny this.
He don't deny him. He did yes that. Okay. He did because me see him when we see the right time and all that. You understand? Because me see the whole thing too. Okay. He say because I remember that time when we say the man talk this kind or I read them too. Yes. You understand? He said no, say there was no time when we say he do that the video. Maybe before the end of the whole thing, we go video.
Because you know why they talk like that. No. Because right now, even Senator Tinubu wife don't attack this man. See why the man they talk like that? Like APC, General Remi Tinubu wife. Yeah, they say they attack this and say, "Oh, this man are PDP apologists." So you see where we're going. Tomorrow now, I think that governor don't come and go deny say no be talk that thing. Not be so. So where we're going. But like I saw, I love one thing where former president, vice president talk yesterday. I mean yesterday. He said all Nigerians rise, all the elites rise. He said no why. He said in Rwanda. When he went to Rwanda, he saw a Supreme Court judge who was queuing for food. Because when that
a serving
judge, Supreme Court judge of Rwanda, when the system comes scatter, if we move that one, call the queue for that, and nobody should feel that they're isolated from this whole thing. Do you understand? Everybody must right. If not, that if anything happen, all those who they feel say you they're isolated now.
You go there history. I like one word where smart Adeyemi talk.
He's very smart.
He's very smart. And at the same line, now Akpololo don't follow come in the past 2-3 weeks inside this problem. Inside this insecurity matter we don't get for this country. He said, after now, if they want to write the history of this country,
Exactly.
he say all of them individually wey dey this house sit down now, he say all of them go get their chapter. I believe now say Smart Adeyemi chapter go show say yes, the man talk in mind to Mr. President. And another thing, say if them are senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, not fit do anything, may they close the Senate chambers, may they go sit down for house. That what get continuation there. Make them go sit down for house. If the death come, make it meet them there. Because the truth of the matter be say,
no go make them
if up Oga wait now, you think say if he read,
all they almost escape now.
Make you wait, make I tell you.
I mean, you don't understand.
If up they fall, they fall. Not be only the one where they see so, eh? Not be you they say go. Bros, make we not shy away from the truth anymore. This country is no longer safe for anybody. This country is no longer safe for anybody. As Smart Adeyemi talk, they're not going to swear to court now. Say if they tell Mr. President to wake up to the call. Because if all these things they go on now, wait, make I talk, I beg you. As they go on, the primary purpose of government now say secure lives and property of your citizens. If all those ones fail, it means your government it get as it be.
You know, you get one thing when we say the man talk. You talk about you say one word this, so say even worse about the civil war.
Yes.
Because civil war, now one anything they happen and they keep it.
Other people they fight this and go also get small
You
piece.
understand? But now everywhere.
Yes.
If your shadow to waka follow you now, you go look your shadow. Why they follow?
Why they follow me? Yes.
You understand? But where it be say,
And you go get where it go reach. When the situation don't dark, it don't really dark. Your shadow go run leave you.
That's so now.
It go run leave you.
That's so that you will be on your. So I want to beg the people that when we say whether we like them or not, we need assistance from foreigners. You talk and say you know go cost. But those are Mr. President. Those are Mr. President.
The way they handle this matter. If I have seen the whole thing, sir.
But don't worry, this matter we go.
Even if they go.
We don't come again. I will make it make it be happy where no matter what it be they happen, we always put things rightly for us when we say we go see the way it's supposed to be. And if everybody do your own thing way, we can say issues no go there. But most of all, then if we say until they can't draw our AM before we say we will do our work going supposed to be. Now when they drag every organization, they go back and be all of this. When they drag our country, they drag, they go back and be all of this. Give it simple instructions to take. You know, go take them, and you would like to do things then just the way we say yes, if you say it would be. How you want meetings that you work out. When you know say rules they for ground when busy places supposed to follow. And you go first stand up to say government no good, government good, this one. For your own bedroom, for your own circle, your own space, how do they make things rightly?
You speak that time for this program, what I feel over because for your own cookies.
Yeah, for your macrocosy. For your little word when you say
my crocus.
You say some things they when we say yes, you go push you.
Exactly.
Before they talk about when we say I talk about something push me.
Yeah. Now that kind of attitude.
For your own space.
Now that kind of attitude where you describe now lead this country to where we did. Insecurity everywhere.
That is it.
And
one
still,
person go play your part.
One person not agree play in your part. You don't understand me. But as a citizen of this country, where they pay tax, when we don't hear and say we need foreign support, I'll come begin to imagine. Because we play Smart Adeyemi cry for National Assembly, the upper chamber just now.
Yeah.
The young man talk, say, every month money is allocated to tackle security matters, to tackle insecurity. Is a clear indication right now, say, those money, they're not the use them for waiting. They're not the use them for waiting. The same they use them for.
Wait first. All of us be parents.
Yes.
You give your pikin money.
Yes.
Go do something. You know, you do. You know, go ask her.
In the first place.
Who won't ask her that? The man will say, go to Bemi.
You send somebody to go to bed.
Best don't go.
You don't go. Go to do birthday. You go to do birthday.
The next is I don't know, say this person don't
No go.
Your boy. And at the end of the
Okay,
day,
now when you
that
come
was
no, say no go.
What you
I
do?
don't fit to anything. Now if they ask me what ask somebody, person will say, go pay me. And by the ordinance of is it the military, whatever.
Yes. Order. Direct order. Yes, now. Insubordination.
Yes, Dan.
They don't do amenity. To the extent that even the police public relations officer they say they cannot give an inquiry, that nobody gave inquiry. And it went down like that. Then they say, check money. Listen, but I tell you, did you see Aliyu Dube just now? When they look at the budget, defense DC, you see the kind of comment when we say she dey make about the Minister of Finance, that if those are her children. He said the Minister of Finance, now from Kaduna, that if those are her children dey for those captivity, she follow the two those way they do. Which means that I'm happy that
Talk that one.
that what she was telling the minister. He did your news just now. I'm happy that the statement wey we dey share for there. Some other people.
Among that clique. Yes, among that clique.
I also want to tell Nigerians, as a governor, a deputy governor, senator, president, and vice president, let me also say, Senator Professor Shubha just told us something. Somebody go to Rwanda for United Nations, keep TV, whatever. I don't know where you go to there. A Supreme Court judge was queuing
To collect food.
So those policemen and those people wey you feel say dey protect you now, say you no get this thing, and because of that you kept quiet. When the chiefs are down, sir, let us pray that the chiefs are not down. That's why I keep asking pastors in Nigeria, imams, this is a time for crisis. This is a time of crisis. It's time for you to play your role in this country. The role is that go and meet God. If it is sin that we are committed, that God should show mercy. Don't keep quiet, oh. Don't take. I'm not wait for that can talk because as you do so.
The problem is that they talk and they go. You don't go Christ.
Yeah.
You see, if na nature plunge us into where we dey,
Make God
we
forgive
will
us.
look up to God, say Baba,
Make God forgive
into
us, oh.
our.
I know the
But
against.
How will
right
you go
now,
so?
my brother.
One day you no go fit do church.
When you listen,
Okay.
the way we dey go so. No be nature.
No be nature put up. Na human error.
No be error.
Na human error.
No be error. Now we put ourselves our greed.
So listen.
When you say we, how you dey talk?
Not error. When you put error, you go be like say na work.
Just remember
Human being not do wetin he supposed to do.
We not talk about each other. At the end of the day,
We're not going to hear ourselves.
Now, I'm not look at. I don't believe in nature.
Not be nature.
Now, the activities of
Humanity, yes.
Where
we dey, yes.
and all of that. Because
Yes, sir.
you not go free talk. Say upon all the blessings in our dear country Nigeria get bitumen. We get and now say we get 42 billion cubic meters of bitumen. Now we get Ogbonaya on I come talk and last week.
On our nest, we still dey there. We they never even say they want to talk.
Yes, they go to import bitumen because they do our
roads.
You understand?
Yes.
What they call them Rubber Research Institute of Nigeria. Yanomo.
Yes, na Yanomo.
And then I be say they call Singapore. I mean they come take our own here, carry go their place.
No, 9-4.
9-4. Carry
Yes.
Go that place, go plant for Singapore.
Yes.
That one.
Singapore today, their major income na oil. Where they collect seed for
here.
here.
They look at our soil and their soil are the same thing.
Yes.
Everything they use, and now they see their mainstay now. We get petrol.
We get crude oil.
We get crude
We
oil.
will drag with crude oil, put am for canoe, carry comot. Go refiner,
They bring only petrol.
only petrol.
And
Other things wey dey follow am
33 byproducts.
inside crude.
33. Now we say inside crude. We get that one. We get coal. We get tin. We get gold.
And when they pay the bitumen, we never harness am. The coal, we never harness am. The gold sef wey dey for Zamfara.
Individual dem dey thief am.
No. See.
Then when you go coal
For Enugu.
Pololo, make we no go too far. If they look other people own, make we look our own. When na Dangbala for Akoko Edo here, they discover gold there the other day. Dangbala. I tried to call Apata to make I put her online here, live program. I had difficulties reaching him. Make he tell us. The state government go there the other day, they go sell up the place. We discover coal for Dangbala. Gold for Dangbala. For inside Akoko Edo local government area. What happened? They give the man like maybe say they carry limestone.
Yes.
The man don't dig, then the man hits gold. They don't tell anybody. They continue to mine the gold. If they mine the gold and everything, when the people they come, man, help at the mine the gold. People come, they surprise. Say, which kind of foreign face?
This one not be gravel again.
You understand what kind of foreign face be all this one this day here? They had over 1,000 people, other citizens of this state. They work there, and all of them, let's say they come from the northern, it be like say they come from the northern part of the country. They working. People come, they ask, you know, this thing will always come.
Yes, now.
After they cost me gold. Now be say they see. Before they that profile don't start, over 4 or 5 people die, and the rest. We hear the story. You understand? Before we say they come, know what they do. Now I call Akpata say confirm am. So yes, they do. Now because okay, we go hold the virtual discussion on this thing. Till now we couldn't do it. You understand? That one passed. We come here. I can't send some messages to some people. I even sent a message to the deputy governor, Philip Shaibu. I did. They see what they hear, see the happen that matter and everything. Though he didn't reply, they didn't respond, and all that. But I come here after a day or two. See, they say the state government don't take over the place. So what do you know they talk here? They go there. You see, they here. That's to show you. See where you see that's happening. If you dig this chair, dig part this table.
You must see one God bless you on the ground there.
Why we know as blessed as this country? Why we know the use?
Two things they will remember people for. Yes, you all have children. They will know that the one that they power. Now na crumble because they are mates.
Now more than they crumble, now their hand the thief for
spoil. Now their hand the thief for spoil because they are mates.
Now their hand for spoil. Say now you crumble. Now they so that the bebe matter. No person want talk the matter as it be. You go say na so something. Their hand for spoil.
Because now what they did,
now their hand they take burn am. They burn am spoil. They use their hand burn am spoil.
What did you do? Daddy, when we were head of state, what did you do? Daddy, when we were senator.
Look this whole matter. Now, the latest one we say they happen now. This kidnapping, when they go around, they don't come out from different people. Now schools, now they go. Not only universities, schools now.
Yes, where people many. Where the money will be.
Schools now people there now. Another. By the time they start or they continue to the kidnap students, lecturers, not only lecturers, students in particular. What do you feel? See, you go happen. What will be the consequences of this for our economy?
See, Nigerians, I don't know why sometimes, because of the fact that people that are ahead of us, when we say they be our leaders, they try to make us believe within no daring. You understand? That man tell me say Western education is evil. That is Boko Haram. Then you don't see these people, they carry people for school. As they carry for Kaduna, how many times they carry for Benue? How many times they carry for Plateau? How many times? Although we hear Benue, they don't release that.
They carry for Ogun State.
They carry for Ogun State.
The commissioner of police says nothing like that. They burn some schools, don't close down for Ogun State.
Yes,
so they don't want to they can't carry them.
Now make the tell you say all those English say bandit. Now wayo, when those guys won't take over that territory. When they don't entrench themselves for inside the place, then you go to say they call say they be real insurgent. And the insurgent what they do? Now to establish the place, I close our schools. One of the fight to ensure say now they're not going to be that now. Western education, if you say anything have to do with Western education, that's what they're doing. That is what they're doing. And in all these activities, my brother, we get government we open allowing they happen. Because the government also dance for the tune say education. If we educate the people, they go know what they don't know before. And once they know what they don't know before, they will come begin to ask us questions. Whether you believe it or not, I don't care. I don't care because there's a day beneath parable say if you dey farm now, they not let you work. The next way you go do now to go house. I talk just now. If ever they fall, if this sky they drop, you don't go drop on one person. That route where you think now say you go see to say you want to run come out. You go even see say you're surprised say they don't wait you there. They don't wait you there. So all of us go there inside. Because we they talk am now.
One man talk and sorry man add to you. One man talk and say in this whole thing. See they just say the people when they do the baba thing.
Add to what I talk, not add to me. You add join me as I did now. What I talk.
Okay. If you look at it. if the people want to say do the babati, the insurgency, the kidnapping,
yes,
the banditry,
the Boko Haram,
and the Boko Haram, they come and say, okay, we could shift, come on, say, you know, be like, we could just face the National Assembly, or more face the political class. Whether 1 week, whether they don't go get solution to all of this.
They go get solution.
No. You say whether 1 week, whether solution no good. Because if you look at now, the other day, they try to remind me just now. Oh dear. Clifford Odia.
Yes.
Say he was attacked.
Yes.
And he said he was attacked.
Yes.
That he was lucky to have survived. Who do may say yesterday for how many months now? Yes.
Enough going village.
The vice, what do they call it? Deputy Speaker. He said now say for months or years.
Yes.
No. He said for 6 years. Say he never go to in place.
Okay.
And the rest.
Okay.
Then Smarter Day me just now, where they represent Kogi West. It was a Niger State where they born in.
Say no fit enter.
It no fit enter. So you dey see wetin we dey talk. So if you continuously as a governor now, security vote they come on a monthly basis in billions. You say na Dubai you wan go buy land. Now you wan go buy governor's house for America. You wan go buy White House of Washington.
Wait. Now they could they put hand, that they ask now they could they put hand for the governors and the rest.
Yes.
First when they share the money, they give all these governors. You know they get security votes.
No wait now. Oga. President don already talk am before. Say if for too happy to say he young pass this one, that mean if for do better if to say he young pass this one, that mean to talk say old age don keep the man for one place.
No, never keep am. You see they affect the
they say they affect am. You say they affect yes, all this they affect am. So what do we now expect? I dey call my brother man. The 36 state governors. What are you doing with your security vote? Oga, wait now. After the EndSARS protest, a lot of things happen across the country. We bring us to where we dey now. Because it happened yesterday. Now be the problem. We know they remember if they don't break on something. Nigerians, we know they remember again. We know they remember.
Okay.
Make we go into the books. Make you know how much the least allocated money for security. For the least for the entire system for this country.
Let me tell you. May I just tell you the truth?
The police now don't enter their shit. Say I found a one may be.
Wait, may I tell you the security vote matter. What will you talk? May I just tell you how it be that until the constitution is amended
to state how security vote should be used.
We will continue to talk like this. Other people when they even become governors in another 10 years time, they will see they collect and they chop.
They don't plan for one. They want to become
they don't they plan.
That security vote. That security vote.
So at that plan they or many plan they or more take small water, more drink small water. Oh, this water make our throat they clear where so I will continue for where be safe. So no go anywhere. Name of the program. Good morning from Benin. They actually from independent television anywhere across the world when NBC they watch us. Just stay with us. No go anywhere. We see the worker they go for the program and since when we say concern their country Nigeria, we go always talk about although I put our health program we talk about Nigeria. We can't go front and think about Nigeria. Anywhere NBC will go now to make our country Nigeria and I've been waiting supposed today for your mind. Welcome again. They take the last stretch of the program now and we'll go make NBC we cap them up with some kind of things that will NBC happen. Larry, yesterday we see women enter the street too. They talk and say fish don't too dear. See the way the fish take dear and I say, they're not going to agree again. And they come and talk some kind to say, don't be say the people when they sell the when they make the fish, when they bring the fish for them, they sell. Maybe that one they make and they can't get different factors that when they say they can't cause and everything. For those factors that when they say they talk, what if they say yes, you would like to pick inside?
This not just that fish own.
Fish sellers now they come out yesterday. Tomatoes own they also they prepare.
Okay.
People when they sell pepper they also they prepare. Nothing that they sell for market now will never skyrocket even by over 100%. Waiting they bring up unionism, and down are one of the things where these fish sellers also talk. Say union get away the way they go pack all these things from the producers and so to speak now because this people they
For the wholesalers.
for the wholesalers and pack them, they will not determine
The price.
instead of them allow them make they enter wholesaler and make them
buy direct.
direct from no that is it. Then they say union. If unionism is no longer for the common man, you scrap it. That is government for you. When you dey say union supposed to dey for the welfare of the people wey dey the body. But wetin we dey get now for we market na say once union don talk na so dey be. That's the reason why you go see person now go into farming. You go into farming, you go get corn at the end of the day. Get so many crops at the end of the day. Come market come sell. Na problem you no go fit sell.
I get friend of mine, he say he get one big farm. This is anytime I say they harvest plantain.
Yes.
Say they harvest up to 2 trailers of plantain become very massive.
Of course.
When there are 3 of them when they say do that business. When they pack the whole thing come out.
Yes.
Come reach where they say they don't let it sell for market. Say they carry the 2 this thing. Say they go sell them. They will bring this thing. They will go cut it. Say see the price when you say you put
we will take sell.
So they say he said they'll go start for somewhere they eat, they drink and everything. Before they don't see the apple, they go carry money come give them and the rest.
Yes.
People when buy her, they don't know.
Yes.
People when sell they don't know.
Yes.
They want to sell them, but they don't let they sell them.
They don't agree because you're not the union.
You understand?
Yes,
So
because you're not the union.
so but they bring it's in a free market.
Oh, now
no,
it's not free. It's not free. Now that's the reason why we dey call on government. We don't dey talk these things even before the fish sellers come out yesterday they protest. We don't already dey talk am because our friends they go market, our wives they go market. They complain they reach house. You go reach house now, money where you dey drop before they make they take cook pot of soup. When you go cook pot of soup now, you go dey look and say, maybe this woman chop money inside. Now later you go come dey hear information say things don dey high. If government fit just come and say price regulation mechanism you put them in place. But that one will be impossible because what did government they do for the people in the first place?
Okay, what I want to ask now, what will be those unionists, what
Yes.
did they do for their members? When the BCS they just consider say they just hijack the whole thing.
One more time
Because my brother, I don't feel lie to you. I dey like Gary to the drink Gary well.
Okay.
And once I want to drink, I come out and say, I want to drink Gary today, and the rest. I dey have money work when I close and Gary I want to drink. She will go market, you buy fish, this cobia fish.
Exactly.
When you buy, you go only make am
arrange
two.
am well, yes.
Come arrange am, break am, put salt and
exactly,
pepper, put am inside oven,
Bam.
bring am come out,
Exactly.
take drink Gary. Because she know say yes, say you go only buy 2. I always say I don't always say I want drink. But she know say you want say half. I know if you chop up to half. Because children and the rest of it go break and put all of them, everybody go eat am. I reach house the other day say I want drink Gary. Now she buy 2 fish come. She dey give me bill again. Say how? He say he buy bill. He said the whole thing be say everything about 1,800.
Yes.
I say how? He say buy one fish 900 naira.
That's waiting. Meanwhile, 700, 500, they prepare that thing.
You understand?
Before
You
now.
two fish.
Yes.
Now he say he buy everything 1,800. The pepper when he put when that pepper when but others are not deal.
No.
Not the 2 fish when he say
The extra bill you go
buy.
pay because the thing don't increase for market because you know don't already talk now say now they in charge of government for this state for this country.
Iya Hausa when she come here one day, he said the price of cement.
She
Maybe
also-
they sell
she also
here.
talk am,
He
yes.
said, maybe they say they sell for that place.
At
Because
all.
of this unionism
Exactly,
matter.
yes.
How many different people don't they talk? Is it not hard time that the government comes and say make you put eye for this matter?
You scrap the union. You scrap them. Whoever get product to sell, go to the open market
Because me
and
not
sell.
even know what they do now.
No,
If you look at
everything that they do now 1 year end, they buy one bag of rice. 16 people share them.
Because if you look at now, the union won't matter now they talk now. Local government workers for those states now, 7 months,
Yes.
months now, how salary they
They
do.
say we will not talk.
The union not gay when we say they said the union. The union is not doing anything. No, they talk
And the
about
Noga itself is also not playing politics.
I know, I don't talk of that one.
All the story there our hand.
Okay.
All the story there our hand. They say not be everything man they talk for life. You go leave some. Make you just whether I go change by itself. We are already aware of the activities of Noga in this state. We are already aware. So make we not go there. Make we face the union market people, market things we don't skyrocket. What the government need to do now is that all unions in the market is hereby disband. Disband down. If you want to buy fish, you as fish seller,
or they may not be able to buy them. Maybe they go regulate their activities.
how you want to regulate them?
No, now because the union matter
Yes.
be say Now you, now the welfare of the people. Now you say talk. Nobody go talk to you say now you go buy goods, cost sell for them. It's not part of their responsibility.
If any union is doing more harm
than good to the people,
you scrap them up.
And now they talk so now.
Government have right to scrap them.
And the people have a right of association.
And let me also tell you, say that right, they don't collect them from them.
Now they tell you
if you not join, you go begin to get problem for market.
Now they tell you now, say the people get right
to association.
To associate.
Yes.
You understand? They get right to associate. So if they say they get right to associate, they go regulate the activities of the association.
Yes, sir.
The activities of the union.
Yes, sir.
Because it is not the place of president of any union when we say they charge of fish, they charge of tomatoes, they charge of crayfish. Say yes, say what did they say? When I go there, now no go buy. Now no go come back. Come back for. Now they happen.
You also did not say as a union executive, okay, may we buy from them, we subsidize them for una.
You know they
because of the levy una they pay as union members. All those ones not there. Now to continually to put hardship inside our body, will come.
When you carry
president with the Abuja.
When you carry your lorry load of any commodity, current inside market now, before they see market women say they won't come and come they buy, don't they rush the motor again?
No. You don't go rush.
No,
if you even rush, they see you. They'll
sanction you.
Yes.
So when they bring the motor, call the union member will come collect the things.
Yes.
They go tell the person when bring the motor say, may you go sit down for one place.
We will sell and can't give you your money.
No, we can't give you your money. The other will say, don't worry, how much it be? We can't give your money. There are even cases, instances of say, they bring a call, say, how much it be? 1 million. You know, bring the money, come pay you the 1 million. Carry your motor, go, they discharge everything. The constant to people when they say, where we did?
Now the bad attitude of humans. Bad attitude of humans. Like we always talk on top of this program, leadership is key. If unionism now is causing more harm than good,
you scrap them.
Because now we did the house. Everything they fought to us. They fought to the husbands. They fought to the fathers. Economy not balance. No money anywhere. Insecurity everywhere. But now say you get that mind as citizens of this country to they undo your fellow human being. Government should rise up to the occasion according to wetin smart Adeyemi talk just now. Government should rise up to the occasion. Right. Because this occasion now don't they show us what I say now wickedness of humans. And if you see some of these women, my dear, oga, now debt. Now they use all this money till they pay. It's when they don't plunge themselves because you want to put your hand for where your hand never reach.
No, you want to put your leg for where your hand no
where your hand no reach. You want to put your leg there. You go take this one, 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 take this one. Only you.
And every meeting won't be say when they go every occasion, you go buy new clothes.
You go buy new clothes, yes, because you want to show yourself. Those ones not be life. Not be life, and it not go help us as a people.
So talking as to cap up the whole thing in your own way, because the one be say they talk and say what they do, what they don't do. Which advice you get to give government for matter when we say concern price of things that when they dear for markets? You go right on the back of this protest when they say this fish seller they protest yesterday.
Oh yes, very very easy. Now statement. The word of the governor. Na sledgehammer.
Na bond.
Where things they really happen. When government talk, everybody you follow line. Right now, if after disbandment of union activities, especially for we markets, there should be a regulatory body where government will set up. Set up a regulatory body. So activities should not be seen again. The union is for the betterment of your members. That is what you should start doing. And not for extortion
of the people.
That's why you go just see this woman yesterday now. They fit buy before now you go fit buy 2 baskets. From 2 baskets you go graduate to 3. From 3 you go graduate to 4. You don't they buy 10. Make they use 5 start now. You will see in the next 2-3 months. You know go market again. You know they fit go market again. Because they will say Osagba or Ru.
Even me they hear now. One bed just whisper to my ear now say you get some other strategy when they use. When you carry the thing called the market, even at the union people go put price for you.
Where you want to say,
Where you want to
if you
say.
must.
Yes, now.
If you must say.
Now, say the son, they pride, now basically you go take say.
Yes, and when it's happening, you go give them
remit
their
their own,
regardation.
go regard them.
Go give them
See, all the kind of regardation we say, yes, they give at the detriment of people. You go drag us.
Now prison, now you go use and go when government ready for you. Prison.
It's all right. I want to thank everybody that will be part of the program today, and I want to talk to my brother and friend Solomon Agbogie tomorrow here. All the roads when you will think of, all of them go Benham, go Isoko, when you go do your papa final burial ceremony in late Pa Johnson, Jaigbe Agbogie. Agbogie. So now our brother here when we say they Solomon Agbogie, now we say yes, we wish you well.
The dong boom.
Yeah, the dong boom. you are a boom. You are a boom.
You are a
there.
there.
But say again why you lost cheap bag. Okay, I don't tell you. We don't go.
That be the chairman.
That be chairman of that
exactly.
So you see, you don't need to.
But the user, no, you know the user and harm in members.
So all of us go there. We just say we dey move and we dey go for the place where they call Imene Eferekeya Medical Center, and then they for carry the corpse from Saple, or from there now we go move go the place when they call Akewe for Isoko local government area. So all of us will gather there. We wish Baba late Pa Johnson Jaigbe Agbogie. When we say he live well 114 years.
Now that person they reach.
Yes, now we'll go tell him bye bye. So we'll join our brother, our friend Solomon Agbogie. Don't worry, your partner will die again. That time we say die, so no will die again. We wish you well. I want to thank everybody that want to be part of the program today. God bless you. Hey, that reminds me. I want to wish the people when we say the family of Osaga when they for the Hausa Street. I go there yesterday.
Exactly.
We'll
go together.
Yeah, now Precious when we see their brother Precious Osaga when we say doing still come out at the age of 59. So we pray may God continue to bless the Osaga
family. Quickly, the Hausa Street for inside Benin. Before we come out, a special birthday message to my very good friend. When I say very good friend, who will they talk about? Victor Osagi. Comrade Victor Osagi, and I'm the CEO of Vicsagi Enterprise. Your birthday, you can still follow the first step to marriage. And so you say a double plus for you.
Is that right?
Congratulations.
All right, next week we will see again. Nigerian matter will always continue to carry on. I say the thing when we say person they kill, they say if you never die, don't put it back. But the way it be now, we put up about the killer.
The killer joined there. Yes.
My name is Thomas Ade on behalf of Hilary Odia, Emmanuel Akpololo, Victor Rio, and my very good self. Next week now that time. Good morning.